This is Greg's Absolute Zero White 2020 Toyota GR Supra Launch Edition. And as you can see, he has very clean taste, having already equipped the car with HRE FF10 wheels and a subtle aim game spoiler, paint matched to the OEM ground effects. But given that his other car is an Alpha 7 equipped Nissan GT-R Nismo, he needed to take the power up a notch. And our Stage-3 package is the perfect solution. MST Performance air intake system, optional MST Performance turbocharger inlet, ETS downpipe with GESi catalytic converter, optional AMS Performance charge pipe, and a calibration via EcuTek. This package is proven to add up to 140 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque at the rear wheels, all on 93 octane. And to add a bit more exhaust note, Greg also opted for the optional ETS 4-inch exhaust system. The only request he had was that he wanted to minimize wheel spin as much as possible, so we took that into account during the calibration process. And with that all said, I'll shut up so you can follow along over our shoulder in the shop. But before that, we'll kick off with some baseline dyno pulls.
Let me show you something. Ooh, dropped it like it's hot. You.
You got some pretty eyes, boy.
Alright, let's talk through these results. With nice cool air, this car baselined strong at 347 wheel horsepower and 411 pound-feet of torque. And as we mentioned earlier in this video, we went a little easier on the spicy level with this calibration to reduce wheel spin. But even with that in play, output jumped up significantly to 460 wheel horsepower and 518 pound-feet of torque on 93 octane. Peak gains of 110 horsepower and 107 pound-feet of torque, with maximum gains coming in at 126 horsepower and 122 pound-feet of torque. Seriously, you just can't beat how well these cars respond to a couple hard part upgrades and a good calibration. If you liked what you saw here, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more to come. And as always, if you have any questions at all, we're happy to chat. Thanks for watching.